it's a cooking challenge, right? So it's us versus Blake and Mitchell.
The unbeatable.
Do you reckon Blake will cheat? It's his game, right?
Yeah.
And he's the judge.
Yeah.
Like,
So we're just feeding him. Is that just an excuse to just feed him? I did bring a special ingredient.
like roulette hot wings. Except we know which bullets are in which chamber.
Yeah. Right.
Right.
What are we doing?
G'day punters. So we've been roped into this challenge. Media team have asked us to have a cook-off. So it's Team Blue, myself and the big rig here. We are cooking it up against, Blake and Mitch.
Yeah.
Team Red.
Well, really Mitch, but anyway.
We're cooking against Mitch. Blake is contributing. Cool.
I think ideas maybe.
Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't think he's contributing a lot. I
Didn't want to lose though.
He looks like he's over there. Blake's contributing a strong will to win.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are just there too, by the way. Like 3 meters away.
Yeah. Which brings us to our next point. So we feel like the competition could be slightly rigged, right? So it's a media team inspired competition, and Blake doesn't like to lose.
He's making up rules as we were going along as well.
He's
had an hour and a half to just keep adding to the rules to make sure that they were winning.
Yeah, and I have a feeling the rules will change once we finish cooking as well.
They've changed about 4 times since, but anyway.
So we figured if we can't win, we may as well go down swinging. We've packed a secret ingredient.
We have got some Heat Seekers Knockout Chili Super Hot Ketchup. Right. It's got Trinidad Scorpion and Moruga Scorpion chilies in it. It is delicious. It's just hot.
Yeah. Have you had it before?
Oh, yeah, copious amounts of times. It's just, I reckon 1 splash is enough to get the meat sweats on, for sure.
So we're putting 2 splashes on there, Wiz?
I reckon we'll put more than that.
So how are we gonna? We're gonna splash theirs.
Right. So I reckon what we'll do, we'll get the wings and we'll splash copious amounts of the secret ingredient. Then when we do that, we'll put some baking powder on them.
Baking powder or
baking powder?
Baking powder.
Baking powder. We'll get the baking powder on it and then try and dry it up as best we can. Then we'll chuck them in the oven, let them fry out a little bit. Then we'll turn up the oven a little bit more, really dry them out, get them nice and crispy. Then we'll toss them in with some hot sauce, which is just Frank's. So they all look the same. They're all no different, all good. And then we'll try and make sure that we keep an eye on where the real ones are.
Yeah, so
because it might bite us in the bum. I reckon we get cracking now.
So roulette wings. Except
roulette wings, but we kind of know.
We know which gun's got which bullets. Yeah. All right.
That's the plans.
Hopefully we get a good reaction out of them.
Hopefully the cameraman doesn't get one as well.
Yeah. Hopefully we get the right side of the plate.
Oh, we've got some jalapenos.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do some jalapeno poppers.
Jalapeno poppers
just a warm run up.
We'll see how hot they are, but heat is definitely the key.
Yeah.
I saw Mitchy brought the toilet paper, which is really good.
Yeah, good. You might need that.
How's it going on this side?
At our office, we all have a healthy addiction to KFC. The most commonly bought meal / rounded meal. KFC sliders, $6.95. 2 sliders, supercharged sliders and chips for $6.95. It's a value buy for your mates. That's what we're cooking. We're cooking deep fried sliders with supercharged sauce that I've handmade. Done all the ingredients myself. And then we bought one of our non-essential items, a deep fry. Cheers to induction cooking. Well, not induction cooking. Here's to 300 hours of lithium power.
That's the KFC bag behind you.
You can have the kernel.
Is that what you're serving?
While you can. Yep.
So what are you basting it in?
Different seasonings. And pepper.
Was that something Blake prepared?
No. Master Foods did. God bless that major corporation. Thank God someone over there really do be thinking when they go to work. Imagine having responsibilities when you go to work. Jeez, that would suck.
Trick is dry chicken, baking powder. Just trying to do it in the very
It is going.
We're going to twice cook this, so we'll chuck it in the oven at about 120 degrees with some baking powder. Try and dry out the chicken. Then we can chuck it back in about 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. Then it really crisps up that skin and should be nice and tasty. And we'll give it a nice taste of that hot sauce as well. And yeah, it should be really delicious. First time doing this, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah, try and do it in the oven. If you want to chuck those in there. Yeah, that tray can come out now. Put it on there.
Low-key yours, because you're deep frying.
Oh, but I thought you were on a health kick.
Got any goss from over there, mate, or what? No? Got no goss?
You have any idea what they're cooking?
No. Other than that, deep fried.
Yeah.
Something deep fried in a wrap. Yeah.
What are you making here?
Just some cheeky little poppers. Heat sauce? Yeah. What do you like? Do you like jalapeno poppers?
I don't know if I've ever had jalapeno poppers.
Where have you been living?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Just come out the front, man. Yes, chef. Yes, chef.
How are we feeling?
I'm not confident in winning. That's okay.
Why's that?
Well, I mean, it's pretty last minute, wasn't it?
Do you reckon like Vince just failed completely and he's just going
Oh,
full confidence? He's just like, he's just called it.
Trying to one up and
Just
go,
give
yeah,
up,
I
guys.
give
Give
up.
up,
Yeah,
guys.
yeah,
That
yeah.
But actually, just they can't even get it cooking.
I mean, to be fair, we couldn't find the tongs. Didn't have racking. No, we're good. Very good. We've come good though. We're coming home strong. It's just going to take a long time. That's all. I know what we'll be talking about tomorrow though. We'll definitely be talking about our food tomorrow.
Okay.
That's my theory.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
I think they're both good.
Good cunt.
Good comment.
I really don't want to say too much.
I really do think we'll be talking about
He's just giving
ours
nothing.
tomorrow, right?
Yeah. He's doing well. He's not getting pushed around. Yeah. No one can bully Con.
Winning?
To beating Blake.
It's a bit of break. Not beating Mitch.
What are those things?
You call those shoes?
Yeah, they're slides.
Is that what Kanye?
Yeah, but they're the Dollar Tree version. He got enough money. Delish.
Yeah.
You have to agree, this was my idea. I said, let's just take KFC and heat it up. It's going to go down overnight, but we are nearly finished cooking.
Nice sweat.
Rip that off, soften them
Rip
up.
that off, soften those up, chuck some bacon on top. Delicious. Yeah. That doesn't scream brand new, I don't know what does.
Yeah, you've ruined the other two. Eat them. Why? Yeah. Man, I was playing my part, alright? Where is he?
How far off are you guys?
About 10 minutes left.
I haven't spoken to you.
I've been around there cooking the whole time.
Oi, chef!
Yes.
One more wrap, please, chef.
One more wrap.
Thank you, chef.
Lay in here.
Just right there. Corner! We should probably get moved there. We always have
I'll do one plate.
I don't know. Look at that. The only thing we're missing is chips. We probably had enough juice to deep fry some chips as well, but we thought we were going to run short on power. We got to cook breakfast in the morning. But this is our take on our lunchtime favourite, the $6.95 slider combo from KFC. And we're 2 hours from Perth with no KFCs inside. Alright, lads. Mitch, do you want to present what we've cooked?
No, you do it, mate. You've done all the hard work.
No worries.
You're the man for the camera.
Alright, lads.
Oh, look at this.
Look at that. That's a feed.
That actually does look very good.
My gosh.
This is our take on our KFC sliders.
$6.95.
$6.95 value. Oi,
How
2
good is
hours
that?
from Perth.
Where's the secret menu?
2 hours from Perth. Alright, we have no taste.
No.
Oh, actually, just take one.
Yeah, well.
Look at that. You mean goodness?
There's the school teacher.
Goodness gravy.
Oh, it does look good.
Look at that.
Excellent. Thank you,
Crunchy
fellas.
and everything.
Can I eat it?
Oh, let's
Yeah.
do that.
One bite, everyone knows the rules. Cheers.
Cheers.
Crunch on that.
Mm.
That actually tastes good.
That crunch is delicious.
I've never taken a deep fryer camping before.
Alright, well, I'm full.
Thank you, Mitchell.
Nice and red.
I will take all the credit on the homemade sauce. Though.
Well, I'll let you have it.
Did you do the
It's
sauce?
the only thing I contribute to this is the sauce.
Did you actually make the sauce?
What?
Did you?
Good day.
Well, there's no way you made the
What if I told you I made the sauce?
sauce.
Dude, you're moving around.
No, it's actually good. No, I'm surprised. It's actually good. I gotta get myself a deep fryer. This is amazing.
Look how much more chicken we have.
It's taken that long.
Yeah.
Like, I'm ready to go to bed.
Yeah. Well, Matt,
Some of us
come
have
on.
work. Some of us have work tomorrow.
Where have we lost our test subjects?
It's the actual chili part.
Oh.
What do we have here, boys?
Well, I can't
Give me the
see
best.
anything.
There we go. Is that better?
That looks good. What is it? Bacon surprise.
I have no idea what
Jalapeno poppers.
Yeah, look.
If I'm eating, you're eating.
I'll eat the dude. I'll eat the bacon.
If I'm having a bite, you're having a bite.
See, so I'm
not
not
good with-
weird
I'm
for
not
not
good.
having really tried these that much, right?
You're not
Blake-
good.
Blake-
No,
Not
it's
good with what?
it's the spice. I'll die at.
Yeah, I guess.
I don't eat capsicum,
Hold on.
so that's what I'm worried about.
There we go.
There we go. That looks better.
What's
hey?
the not spicy part?
The
the seeds.
the seeds, and the seeds aren't in there, are
Seeds
they?
aren't
No,
in there. No.
seeds are out.
Look, I'm with you, Blake.
Get in there. Oh, well.
We'll put the camera away when I spit it out.
Ready?
Yeah.
but
Can I get more bacon on the first pot?
I genuinely didn't think I'd eat that.
Tastes good, eh?
Delicious.
I'm just not good with spice.
It's not
It's not hot.
It's not spicy. Mate, you just made it with spicy. It's good. I like that. You guys kind of fancy, but you must own a restaurant or something. No, mate. You guys happen to own a place called Mason Mill by any chance?
Get into it, boys.
We're presenting. You have to present what they are.
Oh yeah. Hot wings a la 2 hours.
A la spicy.
Thank goodness for that deep fry. Eh? You haven't, sir? Come on.
Yeah, you have to.
You have to.
Not spicy. Not spicy.
You gotta do it. It's not spicy.
It's on the spices on there. I can see
Well,
it.
it's just
It's
a
not
French hot
spicy.
sauce.
Nah, not good.
Do it.
Just get in there, lad.
Do
Give it a whirl. What's the worst that can happen?
I shit myself again.
Wouldn't be the first time this weekend.
Spicy!
It's actually not. That is delicious.
How'd you get it so like crispy? Can I have my fries now?
That's pretty tasty.
That was very good. Very good.
Pretty sure the debate's going to be against me and you.
What?
Well, the debate will not debate, the conversation will be
Clean?
about, no, good thing.
You're good?
How much do you know about cars, Rich? You know, long story short, we have $50,000 be deep. Need to spend money in a different way. Some people
That wing was a lot hotter than the last one.
have the luxury to spend money in different ways.
You put a different hot sauce on.
You put different hot sauce on.
Have one, Blake.
You definitely put different hot sauce on, didn't you?
How hot is it?
Oh, it'll get hotter too.
It's good, man. No, it's not.
All right, back to our segment.
No, I can't speak now.
Content.
Smooth it out with another one. You're gonna rub your lips on a cold. He's still drinking water. The ice cubes.
It's milk.
Well, it's not bad.
Yeah, when you're not expecting it, it's all over your lips and tongue. Yeah, it's bad.
All right, back to our debate.
I can't
debate.
speak.
Relax.